Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C40. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Explore Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add a payment card, check wallet tips, and add passes. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts. You can manage them and add another accounts. You can check all wallet tips, manage contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Check full list of participating banks. And password manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and manage passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you got access to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.